Hey there! Welcome to Power Process Electrical Engineering Tech. Now, we will learn about analog PLC programming. First, make sure you subscribe and like the video. Analog PLC programming involves working with analog signals and values within a programmable logic controller, PLC. Unlike digital signals, which are discrete and have only two states, on or OFF, analog signals are continuous and can take on a range of values within a specific range. Here are some key points to consider when programming analog signals in a PLC. Analog inputs. PLCs equipped with analog input modules can read and process analog signals from sensors or other devices. Analog sensors like temperature sensors, pressure transducers, or flow meters produce varying voltage or current signals proportional to the measured parameter. Analog outputs. PLCs with analog output modules can generate analog control signals to drive actuators, valves, or other devices that require continuous control. Analog outputs are used to regulate variables like motor speed, valve position, or heater power. Scaling. When working with analog signals, scaling is essential to convert raw sensor readings into meaningful engineering units. For example, a temperature sensor might provide a voltage output between 0-10 V, representing a temperature range of 0 to 100 degrees Celsius. Signal resolution. Analog signals are represented with a certain resolution, which indicates the smallest incremental change the PLC can detect. Higher resolution allows for more precise control. PID control, proportional integral derivative, PID, control is often used for precise analog control. It involves calculating the appropriate control output based on the difference between the desired setpoint and the actual process value. Deadband and hysteresis. When working with analog control, it's common to apply deadband and hysteresis to avoid rapid toggling around the setpoint due to noise or small fluctuation. Signal conditioning. Analog signals may require filtering, smoothing, or averaging to remove noise and improve signal stability. Analog math. Analog PLC programming supports mathematical operations like addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division with analog values. It's essential to understand the capabilities and limitations of the specific PLC and analog modules you are working with. The programming software provided by the PLC manufacturer typically includes dedicated function blocks and instructions for working with analog signals. Always refer to the PLC's user manual and programming guidelines for proper configuration and programming of analog signals in your PLC system. Thanks for watching.